Hey guys, Sarah here for Chroma Yachty, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Now, if you're anything like me, you've been stuck at home for the last year during the pandemic. You've been working from home, your kids are at home, everybody's at home. And it's getting close to Valentine's Day and you're thinking, what on earth are we gonna do to make this feel special? And if that's you, then keep watching because I have the ultimate couples challenge to spice up this Valentine's Day. Save the alcohol! It's a little kinky. Sorry, I'm terrible at giving instructions. All right, you go. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate all of your support. All right, so if we're talking about a couples challenge, obviously I gotta have a partner in crime, and Justin Timberlake did not respond to my DMs. So I found a substitute partner. Without further ado, I introduce to you the co-host of Joyride Podcast, the man with the hair, my husband of 12 years, Rob Hinyati. Woo! Welcome.
Hey everybody, thanks for having me.
Of course. You were my only choice.
I know.
We have named this challenge the Pour Some Chroma On Me challenge.
Pour some chroma on me.
In which we will be creating a painting together. But my arms are gonna be tied behind my back. Rob's gonna be my arms, but he's gonna be blindfolded.
Wait, what?
Yeah, he's gonna be blindfolded.
Oh.
I didn't tell him that part.
Okay, I thought I was just gonna be like handing you paint or something.
No, that's too easy.
Okay.
This is gonna make a mess.
Yeah.
So the rules of the challenge are simple. You need to have a partner.
Check.
You need to have a blindfold. You need your materials. And you're allowed to talk. Doesn't mean the other person's gonna listen. And have fun. This is all about doing something exciting and different and silly with your partner. So definitely have fun. Alcohol might help with that, so cheers.
Cheers.
It's like noon. We're drinking whiskey. All right, so the style of painting we're gonna be doing today is called a pour painting, and we're gonna do a dirty pour.
Oh.
Because it's the easiest. And I'm not sure what you're gonna be capable of. You can make any sort of project with your partner though. It could be coloring in a coloring book, you could bake a cake, you could do some watercolor, do whatever you want. This is what we're doing right now because I already have paint mixed and this is what I like to make right now. But you do you. So to get started, I'm gonna go ahead and prep the canvas because otherwise we're not gonna be making anything today. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. You just stand there and look pretty. If you actually want to make a pour painting, I'm going to be putting all of the supplies you need to make one in the description. Save the alcohol!
Don't worry, I'll protect them.
Paint does need to be mixed a certain way with a certain amount of things in it, so I will also include my recipe in the description.
It's really cool.
Just the black?
Just the black is really cool.
Rob's impressed with the black canvas, guys. And we're done!
I hope. That was easy.
Alright, we're all prepped. You ready for this?
No.
Great. Should blindfold? Just to keep it down there for a second because I need you to tie me up.
Oh.
Let's get a little kinky.
Is that good?
Yep.
See you on the other side. Oh.
What?
I can't see anything.
Duh.
All right.
Come over here. So all you're gonna need to do is take the different colors and pour them into the cup.
Wait, pour them into the cup? I thought they were going on the painting.
No. They go into a cup and then they go into the painting. So a little bit more skill involved. All right. So go ahead and try to reach down. Okay, no. Go to the, no, go. Sorry, I'm terrible at giving instructions. Okay, just go straight down with your hand. Okay, that's your empty cup. Keep that in
This one?
No, other one.
This
right
one.
there.
This one. Okay, I got it. All right.
We did not test this ahead of time, guys, so this could be a complete disaster. All right, now reach down, straight down to your right, just a little bit. Okay.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, you're gonna pour just a little bit into this cup right here that's in your hand. Okay, stop.
Huh?
Okay, no. You're gonna pour them all. Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna do this all at once. Okay, ready?
This one?
Yep, go with that one.
Okay, all right.
Okay, pour that in there. Okay, stop. And do a little bit right there.
Huh?
All right, now where your hand is, you need to grab something. Feel that little bottle right there?
No.
That.
Oh,
This is called silicone oil.
Okay.
We're gonna add this to make the painting a little bit more interesting. Okay, you're just gonna drop one drop in there though.
How am I one drop?
I'll tell you. You just barely squeeze it. Ready? Go. Okay, that was like 5. Okay. We'll just hold off on that for a few more pours. Okay. No, reach. No, that's a blowtorch.
Okay. There's a blowtorch on the table?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, good. There's a little squeezy bottle. Get that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Like how? Like a drop again? Or?
No. This isn't silicone oil. This is a different color. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Okay. All right. That's good. Here, put that down. Oh, there we go.
I need some cues here. I can't see with my eyeballs.
Okay.
I have a really bad hold on that.
Yes, you do.
There we go.
Really scary. Okay. No. Okay. Oh, wow, that was a lot. Okay. It's all right. That's perfect.
Okay,
yes.
cool. Awesome.
Okay, stop. Okay, put it down. Okay, we're gonna try to get a little bit more oil in there. You knew where the oil is.
I remembered off to the left.
All right. Put a couple drops in.
I try to be gentle.
Okay, that's a lot. Okay. A little bit more color. Okay. Okay, stop.
It feels like a lot. It felt like a lot of paint.
It's not. Okay, you're gonna have to go try to find the squeezy bottle. Oh, to the right. There you go.
That's the left.
Oh, sorry. Okay. We're almost done. You're almost there.
Oh.
Well, then you gotta actually pour it and tilt the canvas. How we're gonna do this, I'm not sure. Okay, stop. All right, just a little bit more of blue.
Real quick, before.
Yeah.
I know it's over here.
He wants the whiskey.
Somewhere. Oh, I touched the paint.
Keep going to the right. Nope, to the right. There you go.
I got it. Okay. Good.
Oh. Such a tease. You better give me some too. Good. Right there, that cup.
This one?
Yep.
So what are we doing right now? We're just putting a bunch of colors in a cup?
Yeah, we're layering it up so that they'll blend together a little bit more when we pour it on the canvas.
Okay. So it's just random colors in a cup.
Yeah. All right, then we're gonna grab
tiny bit, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay, perfect. That was great.
Yes.
That was great.
You know what?
What?
I feel just like Luke Skywalker.
How?
In A New Hope, when he's trying to learn and reach out with his feelings with the Force.
Okay.
It's just the same. It's the exact same thing.
All
what we're doing right now.
Totally is.
You gotta reach out.
Okay. How much of the whiskey did you drink while I was prepping the canvas?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna add a little bit more black on top and then we can pour. Ready?
Black. Oh, I know exactly where the black one is. Wait.
My bad. No.
I know what about. I don't want any help. The black paint is right here.
That's a blowtorch.
This one.
No, go down.
This one.
No, to your left. To your left. There you go. All right, ready? Yep. Okay. All right, we should be good. So to do this part, we're gonna have to reach forward a little bit. I should put this canvas a little closer to us. But I want you to think of like a little curvy wave, right? That kind of has a little hill to it and then a swoop, like a slide. Think about that. Think about making the shape of a slide.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna practice it with this hand.
Okay, so I can see what you're doing.
So I'm gonna see, because I don't know what a curly swoopy hill wave is.
Do like a slide, okay?
A slide.
Yeah.
Okay. Am I over the painting?
Yes.
So a slide like Like
yes,
that?
that would be perfect.
Swoop-de-doop.
You gotta pour enough, so you gotta do it slow so I can help you control how much is going on the canvas. Okay, you're gonna lean forward just a little bit and to your left.
Uh-huh.
Ready to do your little slide shape?
Yes.
All right. Okay, now go up a little bit.
You tell me when to go.
Okay, now make the shape, make the shape, make the shape. Make the shape, make the shape, make the shape, make the shape, make the shape. Oh, okay. No, okay, we got a lot of paint left to pour out, so you kind of stopped. Go up, 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 up. Okay, down. Yep. Down, 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 down. Oh, okay. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. Right. Okay. Now go to the right, to the right, to the right, and down a little bit. All right. Okay. All right. Let's put that down. Oh God. All right. You ready? You're ridiculous.
1 second. I'm just gonna see. I'm just gonna do some research here. There we go.
Apparently we're just hanging out drinking, apparently. Okay. Ow!
Sorry.
You felt it.
Usually enjoy being blindfolded, but this is weird.
Alright. No, that's not your drink. Put that down. We don't need that anymore.
I was gonna pour more.
No, we don't need to pour it anymore right now.
All right.
I need you to tilt it, so we need to see what else we can do, okay?
The canvas?
Yes. So you're gonna get really messy. Don't get freaked out by that. So you're gonna grab on the edges of the canvas.
Well, I can't see where the edges of the
I
canvas
know that
are.
you're almost there. Okay, you're gonna hold on to the
What? Oh!
Okay, you're gonna hold on to the bottom part just like that, and you're gonna try to tilt it forward.
Like towards the camera?
Yep. Okay, now we're gonna go towards, bring it towards us. Okay, now go to your right a little bit.
Yeah.
Yep.
Like that?
Yep. Keep going, keep going. Keep tilt a little bit more severe to your right. Okay, now go all the way left.
Oh, I got it on my arms.
Yeah, well, you're gonna get messy. It's part of the process. Keep going all the way more to your left. Go forward towards the camera. Just let it go, keep going, tilt it more, tilt it more. Doing actually a very good job for
Hell yeah!
holding on to a 5'2" person. Okay, tilt. No, keep tilting that way. Just a little bit more. Okay, bring it back. Flat. Okay, now this is gonna be tricky. Okay, go move it forward towards the camera just a little bit. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. To the right, just a little bit. There we go. I think we're supported. Yeah, let's just try to add a tiny bit on one corner over here. So your paint's over to your right. Yep, you feel it?
Yeah.
Right.
Yep.
Okay, right there.
Uh-huh.
And you're gonna pour it right there. To your left, to your left. Okay, nope, stop. You're pouring off the canvas. No, I think that was good because I got some of the blue out of the cup. Oh, okay, we're dripping on the canvas. Down, 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 down. Nope, down, down. Okay. All right, now we gotta tilt this, so you're gonna have to pick it up again. No, oh, you're putting your hand to the painting. Okay. You got it? Okay, all right.
Yeah, oh yeah, yep.
All right, now we're gonna tilt all the way to the left. To the left, to the left. And perfect. All right, we got some more of that blue in there. Okay, cool. All right.
That's on the things?
It's on the things.
It doesn't feel like it's on the things.
We'll fix it. It's all right. All right.
Woo!
Guys, like, we actually just did this.
Check that out. What do you think, YouTube?
You're looking the wrong way. This doesn't really need blowtorching because we put so much silicone oil in here, the cells are kind of crazy. But do you want to play with the blowtorch?
Yes!
Okay.
Yes!
All right, there it is.
Aha!
You might want to put this in your dominant hand. It's been a little glitchy lately, so...
How do I use it?
So you just, your finger, your thumb, there you go. There you go, you're just gonna press on that. All right, you go.
Oh, yeah.
I knew you'd want to play with that. All right. Okay, go down, 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 down. Okay, stop. And we're gonna do it over here. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, okay. All right, so no, you don't want to do that. You're gonna make it look crazy. Okay.
Don't I?
Okay, go towards us. Okay, all right.
Notes to all the kids out there watching. Don't play with fire blindfolded, right?
I probably should have tied my hair back.
Do it.
Okay, go down. There we go. Cool.
Huh?
Okay.
This looks really cool. I think. Is that it?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Let's see it. I'm anxious to see it.
All right.
Whoa!
It's kind of trippy, right?
Whoa!
I like it.
There's no way we just did that.
We just did that.
No way. Wow. Guys,
It's beautiful.
I'm blown away right now.
It's beautiful.
How did we just do that?
You were here? Alright guys, if you decide to take this challenge on, please tag us on Instagram or YouTube at Chroma or the hashtag pour some chroma on me, and let us know what you make. Happy date night!